Time for Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof! Hi, and welcome to Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. We're going to do another sneaky sound today where you don't hear all the letters. So the w-h sound, actually, you only hear the w most of the time, but we'll get to that. The w-h sound can be found in words like whistle, whale, wheel, and whisper, amongst many other words. But the w-h sound is most often used in question words when you're asking a question, such as Puffles, what is it that makes you so amazingly brilliant? And I don't know. I was just born this way. Next page. Question words are words like what? What colour is the sky? Where? Where are all my jelly beans? Why? Why am I so brilliant? And who? Why do you think who is in a different colour to the other question words? They're all spelt with w-h at the beginning. What makes who different from what, where, and why? Hoof, 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 hoof. Oh, I see, Hugsley, because it makes the h sound, not the w sound in the word who. Isn't that funny? And you say who all the time. Hoof, hoof, hoof. Good job. So I'm going to ask you some questions about these pictures because sometimes we get muddled up with what is a question and what is not a question. So I'm going to ask you questions with these question words that use the WH sound. What is the boy doing in this picture? That's right. It looks like he's planting something, maybe a tree. Where is the cat? Oh, that's right. The cat is in the tree. Cats like to climb trees. Puffles does not like to climb trees. Height is a bit of an issue. Why is the man wearing that nice stripy apron? Why is he wearing that? Ah, yes, because he doesn't want to get food on his nice clothes. A last question for this picture. Who is running in the field with their tongue sticking out? Whoo! Other than Hugsley. Hugsley, put your tongue away. Whoo! That's right, it's this dog here, silly Hugsley. Next slide. What is the cat doing? That's right, the cat is having some food. Where is the mum? She's the one with blonde hair. That's right, she's in the chair. Why is the mum watching the Weather Channel? Why might she be doing that? That's right, maybe she wants to go outside today in the garden and wants to know if it's sunny. Who is at the table? That's right, the boy and the girl. Good answers, everyone. Thumbs up. I hope you've learned a little bit about questions and the w-h sound today. Ooh. And that was Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof! Hello. Uh-oh, I pressed the buttons with my feet.